Hi, and welcome to the channel. I am Lena Hansen, and today I'm going to show you some wonderful Gua Sha techniques. So if you're new to Gua Sha, this is the video for you. I'm going to guide you step by step so you can incorporate the amazing practice of Gua Sha into your daily routine. So let's get started. So we are going to get started by applying some face oil to our face and neck. So this is a really important step when we're doing Gua Sha. We want to make sure that our skin has a nice slip and that it's nice and nourished before we get started. So we want to take our time and just gently apply it all over our face and neck area. So we're going to take our Gua Sha tool and we're going to start with some lymphatic drainage here in our neck area. We're going to do a neck sweep all the way down to our collarbone. So starting here by the jawline, going all the way down to our collarbone, 6 on each side. So you want to make sure you're doing very light pressure here. We're going to go to the other side, moving all the way down our neck, down to our collarbone. Nice, slow movements. Next, we are going to do our jawline. So we want to place the long side on the out. So we are going to hook our fingers here and gently move all the way from the middle of the chin all the way out towards the ears. We're going to do this 6 times. And we're going to make sure that the tool is at a 15 to 45 degree angle. Gentle movements. Go on the other side, hook your ear with your finger here and just start sliding all the way from the chin out towards the ears. This is going to help tone and firm the muscles, releasing any tension. Next, we're going to take the inside corner of the tool here and we are going to slide it all the way from our nose all the way out towards the temples. Again, gentle movements. We're going to go to the other side. Place the tool all the way by your nose, moving all the way out towards the ears. Next, we are going to work on our eyes. So take one of the little edges here, lift your eyebrow a little bit and move all the way out from the inner corner all the way out towards the temples. Light pressure here as we're moving and working around the eye area, and it's such a nice, delicate, sensitive eye area here, so just move very gently. Next, we're going to go on the other side, lift your eyebrow a little bit here and then gently start moving and gliding all the way from the inner corner to the temple. Wonderful. Next, we are going to work on our forehead area. So put the inside curve of the tool in the middle of the forehead and place it, move it, slide it all the way out towards the temples. Again, 6 times as well. We're going to go on the other side, start in the middle and glide gently all the way out towards the temples. Beautiful. Now we're gonna do our neck sweep here again. So place the tool, the inside curve of the tool, moving it all the way down to our collarbone. Nice, slow movements. Going on the other side, moving it all the way down to our collarbone here. Next, we are going to open up our chest a little bit here. So place the inside corner of the tool, moving it all the way from the middle of the chest all the way out. And on the other side, releasing any tension, increasing lymphatic drainage. Beautiful. Next, we're going to rub our palms together here. Place the palms all over your face here. Take a nice deep breath. And thank yourself for such a wonderful job. Thank you for joining me today on this Gua Sha tutorial for beginners. I hope you enjoyed it. Do this exercise and technique a few times a week and you are gonna get glowy, healthy skin. And remember to take your time with these practices too. There's no reason to rush. This is your time. This is your time for self-care. So your skin is gonna benefit, but so is your mind and your body as well. So take good care and I'll see you in next class.